dirty you are, Lexi. Xander. We all having fun with the water out here? Hi, Jasper. Rocks. Hi, Charlie girl. Bodie. Do you like the water, dude? I know you do. I know you do.
You are dirty. Mom's gonna love you.
Bodie.
No.
Reese, what are you doing? Hanging out where it's cool? Jasper, come on. Coco. Aw, your best friend left, huh, Coco? What are you gonna do? Why don't you come lay back in the pool? Come on. Come on.
Coco Puff.
No jump. No jump. That's it. Go.
Charlie girl.
Bernie Burns.
Hi, buddy. Oh, hey, Xander.
Is it?
Thanks, Lexi.
Good girl. Good girl.
Can I have my leg back, or?
Nope. Come on. Faith.
Really? Ow, Xander.
Whoa. Xander, you tell Faith you're sorry.
Not even paying attention.
Ran right into you. Didn't phase you at all, did it?
Eric here for daycare, Eric.